Keep that chin up. Hi guys, it's Skip LaCour, and I'm here with Jay.
Hey guys.
Right, you're following our journey, right? And so, Jay, this is your first type of body split leg workout, right? We've got clips of it for you right after this. So I want to know, what did you learn, right? You're used to full body workouts, right? Going all out at 3 times a week, the same type of workout. So this is kind of different, right? So how does it feel? What'd you learn from this first workout?
Oh man, so I've been doing full body for at least 4 years. And today was the first day I did legs with you, Skip. That's ridiculous. If you're talking about boot to butt, that's what I got today. And I'm feeling it far more than I ever felt it with the full body, right? I can focus in more on just the parts, and I felt that contraction in half the time.
Right. So, you know, we spread out the body 4 or 5 days, so it gets more specialization. Is one workout better than others? It's really your preference. It's about getting it and knowing what you're doing, having confidence.
That's right.
Even if I really obviously support this workout, really it's for older men in your lifestyle more than anything, where the workouts are they're shorter in duration, but you have to know what you're doing, and you make up for that with intensity.
Yes.
And then it really works well for your busy life. You get it done. Full body workouts can be taxing. It's less focused, but it gets the job done too. All right. So a lot of times it's preference. This seems to work out very well with men with busy lives and still get it done. All right, you're not going to totally beat yourself up every time, but over the course of 4 or 5 days, stacked that over a couple of weeks, you see how effective it is. Right?
Yep, exactly.
So, first time squatting in a while?
First time squatting in a long time.
Yeah.
And I got down there and I came back up with it, so I'm feeling pretty good.
Right. And it gets better with more confidence. Legs are one of those things where it takes a lot of courage, and if you haven't done it a long time, you know, a lot of times you got to build that sense of confidence and your technique first. So you're probably the second squat was 10 times more comfortable than the first one, right?
Absolutely.
We do this for a few weeks, little by little, and we'll all get it done, right?
That's right.
All right, man.
Right.
Okay, so hey, thank you so much for following the journey, encouraging Jay, encouraging me. I'm going to be turning 59 next month. Going to see what kind of shape we can get into. Hey, post your questions, your comments, your suggestions down below. Hey, and thank you on behalf of Jay, the encouraging words that you posted down below. That means a lot to me. For Jay along this journey, we could all use some encouragement. I love that you guys love my efforts and continually pumping out these videos. It means a lot to me. So thank you so much for that. Hey guys, if you want to take your efforts to the next level, I have so many different ways to help you. Go to solutionswithskip.com. I've got a package. Right, there's a training routine. There's 31 videos that explain all the different exercises in this 5-day routine. There's 12 hours of audio coaching, training, nutrition. All right, the systems, the strategies. But there's an hour-and-a-half video that explains the biggest challenges. I know the challenges that you're going through. You don't have to go through them alone. A 90-minute video presentation, but the best part about it is you get one-on-one coaching time with me. You know, I know a lot of the business, fitness experts out there, you know, they have the front man, right, who gives all the inspirations in front of the camera. And then when you call for coaching, they farm you out to one of their coaches. No, this is you actually talk to me. We talk one-on-one, and that's the best part of this package. So click that link down below. I don't know why any of my guys who are serious about this, I don't know why all of them haven't taken advantage of this package, right? So click that link below. Just do yourself a favor. Click that link below. You'll see what an unbelievable package of deal it is for you. You get one-on-one time with me, right? I can solve your challenges. No sense going through this alone. All right, guys, hey, let's live with a sense of urgency today. when we're a little bit older, right, Jay?
That's right.
We got more
That's
time
right.
behind us than in front of us.
us.
We got to live with that sense of urgency. Train, eat, connect with your loved ones. Produce at the job with a sense of urgency. Again, we got more time behind us than we do in front of us. Have a great day. Keep their chin up.